Hey, Roman Trusted here with Mission Forge, and today, guys, you know something unique. I'm wearing a kilt and a traditional Celtic type shirt here, and that's because today's St. Patrick's Day. And we're going to be doing a St. Patrick's Day special. So I am actually Irish. I think most Americans probably have a portion of it in them, but on my side, it's the Riley clan, and I'm actually wearing the traditional Riley colors here that the clans would wear back in Ireland back in the day. So in today's special, guys, we're going to be making ourselves something really fast, really simple, and that's going to be a Celtic hairpin. So we're going to be using steel and brass, and hopefully it'll come out great. Be real simple. I'm not going to be forging in this, though. I do have a kilt I'm going to be forging in, though, but this material here is not conducive for forging. So in my best Irish accent, all right, let me go ahead and change into something more proper. Now that I got me something more appropriate on for forging, we can go ahead and get started. So, that was about it. So this kilt material here is more of a denim style. It's definitely more conducive for it. Plus it's black, it'll hide a lot of soot. So with that, let's go ahead and let's get started. Alright, start with putting a point on this. Mild steel, so you can kind of work it cold and it'll be alright. Alright, time to put the scroll in. Traditionally. Tiny hammer. Sort of see the scroll there. So, alright. Now I gotta cut it. And then do the same thing on the other side. S-curve to this. Alright, so now we gotta bend it here. I don't want to deform this. There's the shape we're looking for right here, that nice S. Now normally what would happen is you would close these off completely. This one needs to be closed a little bit more. But I'm going to try to hook a brass piece to it, and it needs to hook around one of these. So next thing we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and flatten this except for the ends here and here. So the rest of it will be flat, and then we'll create a bowl. So we're going to try to flatten this out using a small hammer. We're just not going to flatten right there. Alright, next thing we want to go ahead and do is we want to try to get this to bowl a little bit, just a little. So you can use the horn of your anvil, which is what we'll use here. If I knew where my glue repair was at. Should put enough flat spot there. Okay. Oh, should start them out a little bit. so make your adjustments that you need to, but you see this is how it will go through. I gotta add just a slight curve in the back of this, very ever so slight, and then you're gonna cut it about here, and then you can just round it. You don't want it to be a point because you don't want to stab them in the head. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna do that real fast. I'm gonna kill the forge, and I just drop everything again. You don't have to have this pin bent like I have it. It can be straight or whatever. Next thing, just kind of beautify it a little bit by sanding it down, getting it nice and clean. It is a form of jewelry, so you want it to be pretty. So let's go ahead and we'll get that done real quick. All right, well there you have it, guys. Making ourselves a Celtic hairpin. So this was our little St. Patrick's Day special. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. It was definitely unique and fun for me. This is the first one I've made of these, and I don't think it came out half bad. In fact, I got some pictures here you can see of two of my daughters here, actually, one of my daughters and niece, demoing it for me here. I did make a slight variation to the pin. I went ahead and this hook portion here, I went ahead and spread open so that way if you pin it through, it can then clip on to the side of this here, so that way I'll hold it in place. But that was really the only difference I made there. So with that, guys, hopefully you found this video helpful and entertaining and all that fun jazz. If you have, go ahead and hit that like button. Also, if you have any comments or suggestions, leave them down below. And if you don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell for more notifications. And I'll probably wear this kilt more often when I'm forging because it was nice and cool in it. But that, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.